Happy day, children. Welcome you all. Today our session is English and our topic is picture reading. Picture reading. Picture reading, which means you have to look at the picture and say what it is. First, let us recall the English alphabets. You all know there are 26 letters in English alphabet. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And you all have a little idea about vowels and consonants. Among those 26 letters, the letters A, E, I, O and U are called vowels. Again, A, E, I, O and U are vowels. And the rest of the letters are consonants. Once again we recall, there are 5 vowels. They are A, E, I, O and U. And the rest of the letters are consonants. So there are 21 consonants. Each letter has its own sound. In this session, let us see some vowel sound words. The first one is vowel A. A sound words. The sound for vowel A is A. A. Now read aloud. C-A-T, cat. H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. B-A-T, bat. C-A-N, can. P-A-N, pan. M-A-N, man. V-A-N, van. C-A-P, cap. T-A-P, tap. N-A-P, nap. M-A-P, map. J-A-M, jam. Y-A-M, am. D-A-M, dam. C-A-B, cab. B-A-G, bag. W-A-G, wag. T-A-G, tag. F-A-N, fan. Children, try to read the remaining words also. The next one is vowel E. E sound words. And the sound for vowel E is A. Now read aloud. P-A-N, pen. W-A-B, web. S-A-N-T, scent. B-A-N-D, bend. F-A-D, fed. T-A-N, ten. B-A-D, bed. W-A-B, web. T-A-N-T, tent. W-A-T, wet. M-A-N, men. Practice the remaining words also, children. And the next one is vowel I. I sound words. And the sound for vowel I is E. E. Now read aloud. T-I-P, tip. B-I-N, bin. F-I-N, fin. K-I-D, kid. P-I-N, pin. C-H-I-N, chin. T-R-I-M, trim. B-I-T, bit. L-I-D, lid. H-I-S, hiss. Please have a look on the remaining words also. The next one is vowel O. O sound words. And the sound for vowel O is O. Now read aloud, children. B-O-G, bog. Cog. Dog. Fog. hog, log, box, fox, cob, cord, rod, cop, mop, top, cot, dot, pot, boy, joy, toy, mom. Please have a look on the remaining words also. And the last one is vowel U. U sound words. And the sound for vowel U is A. A. Read aloud, children. M-U-G, mug. S-U-N, sun. C-U-T, cut. G-U-M, gum. R-U-G, rug. L-U-C-K, luck. B-U-S, bus. T-U-B, tub. D-U-C-K, duck. H-U-T, hut. Learn the remaining words also. Now, let us move on to the book exercises. Take your literacy skills book, page number 32. Picture reading. Write the correct word below each picture. Choose from the list. See, children, some of the words related to vowel S sound are given. You have to select the correct word for the picture and write it in the given space. The words given are bag, rat, cat, mat, can, man, van and bat. And first one is bag. Where is bag? Yes, here it is. So you have to write bag here. And the next one is rat. Where is rat? Yes, here it is. So I have to write rat there. And the next one is cat. Where is cat? Yes, here it is. So I have to write cat there. And next one is mat. Where is mat? Yes, here it is. So I have to write mat here. And next one, can. Where is can? Yes, here it is. So I had to write can here. Next one, man. Where is man? Yes, here it is. So I had to write man there. Next one, van. Where is van? Yes, here it is. So I had to write van in the space. And last one, bat. Where is bat? Yes, here it is. So I had to write bat in the space. Now look at the next page. Match. Match the word with the picture. Here also certain words are given. You have to match the word with the correct picture. And the first one is van. Yes, where is van? Yes, here it is. You have to connect the word and the picture. And the next one is rat. Come on, children, find out where is rat. Yes, here it is. So I have to connect that. And the next one is pan. Where is pan? Yes, here it is. So I have to connect pan with the picture. The next one is cat. Where is cat? Yes, you have to connect the cat. The next one is mat. Where is mat? Yes, you have to connect both. And the next one is bat. Where is bat? Yes, here it is. So I have to connect both. And the next one is tap. Where is tap? Yes, you have to connect tap with the picture. And last one is fan. Where is fan? Yes, you have to connect fan with the picture. Look, children, you have to complete page 32 and 33 like this as your classwork. And the next pages, that is page 34 to 41, is related to other vowel sound words, that is E, I, O and U sounds. The pages 34 and 35 deals with E sound words. The pages 36 and 37 deals with I sound words. The pages 38 and 39 with O sound words. and 40 and 41 with use sound words. Do one page per day, so it will be easy for you. And here are your homeworks and classwork. Do it neatly, don't scribble, keep your notebooks clean and neat. And here is a small note to the parents. Parents, please go through it. Thank you children. Meet you in the next class. Bye-bye.